how to make your social networks visible to your friends and users you follow and your followers on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your social networks visible to friends and users you follow and your followers. First thing, go to Roblox and then click this 3 points here in the bottom corner and then settings, and now click account info, and here go down and you will find the visible to, and then make it for friends, users you follow and followers, and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.